Hello dear learners, today we are going to talk about the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry. The chapter is sedative and hypnotics. Sedative and hypnotics, according to the theory point, classification is important, definitions are important. Then there are few drugs such as phenobarbital, glutathione, etc. are important. So we'll see one by one what are the MCQs possible. The first question is, sedative drug produce, options are CNS depression without producing sleep, insensitivity, pain, insomnia. Now pain it cannot produce since it's a depressant drug. Then insomnia, again it is a condition which is a lack of sleep at night time. So again sedatives, since they are depressive in nature, they cannot produce insomnia. Insensitivity also is the exactly opposite of that of depression. Then insensitivity generally don't include CNS part sensation, body sensation. So the correct answer is CNS depression without producing sleep. As per the definition of sedative and hypnotics, we know sedatives are mild depressive and they do not induce any sleep, whereas hypnotics produce depression of CNS with induction of sleep. So according to the definition, sedative produce CNS depression without producing sleep. So the next question is also the same, it will continue. Hypnotic drug produce. Now hypnotic drug, as we all know, both produce CNS depression, but sedatives are mild, hypnotics are strong. So the correct answer again is CNS depression by inducing sleep. That means hypnotics produce CNS depression, but they are responsible for induction of sleep. Then hypnotics in larger doses produce either local anesthesia, allergy, general anesthesia, protein synthesis. So allergy, allergy and protein synthesis is not at all related with the CNS. Then remaining is general anesthesia and local anesthesia. Now local anesthesia, you are also aware that it is restricted to a particular part of the body. So the correct answer is general anesthesia. In means hypnotic, if the dose exceeds, they produce general anesthetic effect on CNS, means due to effect on the CNS they produce general anesthesia. Same, the next question is sedatives in larger doses produce. Now sedatives are milder form, they will produce hypnosis at larger doses, and since hypnotics are stronger form, they will produce more stronger form at larger doses, which we have seen, that is general anesthesia. So now sedatives in larger doses produce, the correct answer is hypnosis, since their greater dose is responsible for depressing further for further depression of CNS. Next question is, IUPAC name of Pentobarbitone is. The IUPAC name of Pentobarbitone, various options are given, but as you all know, barbituric acid, which is formed by the condensation of malonic acid and urea, so it cannot contain substituents at except fifth position. So both are here fifth, as you can see in the second option. It is 5-ethyl 5-phenyl barbituric acid. That means fifth position, both the substituents are present, and other places are occupied by either nitrogen or keto, double bond O. Next question is, which of the following drug belongs to short acting barbiturate? Options are Thiopentone, Pentobarbitone, Diazepam, methylprednisolone. The short acting barbiturate, according to the classification trick, I am sharing the video link in the description box below. The classification trick is PB थी मैं तो 5 सेकेंड में PM बन गई, PB से PM बन गई. So it is subdivided into ultra short, short, intermediate, long acting. So this way the classification trick, you will be able to remember the exact drug in the exact class. So the correct answer here is Pentobarbitone, which is a short acting barbiturate. Then next question is, name the drug containing piperidine ring. Now there are two basic classes according to the classification. First is barbituric acid derivative and the another is non-barbituric acid derivative. So glutathione is non-barbituric acid derivative which do not contain barbituric acid in it, but it contains piperidine ring. So the correct answer is glutathione. Next question is, name the drug in following brand, and the brand name given is Gardinal. So this is again a very famous question which is frequently asked in the theory exam also. They will give you the brand name Gardinal and they will ask you the name of the drug. The correct answer for Gardinal brand is Pentobarbitone. Next question is, paraldehyde should be stored in. Now this paraldehyde is again very important from the exam point of view. The stability and storage question is frequently asked in the exam. According to the stability and storage, paraldehyde is most sensitive to oxygen. It undergoes atmospheric oxidation and it will give peroxides. It will undergo oxidation and again it will give acetic acid. It will produce acetic acid. So to prevent it from the oxidation, we are supposed to keep it away from the moisture or air. So the correct answer is it should be stored in the small, well-fitted, airtight bottle. That means atmospheric oxidation can be prevented. Next question is, the duration of action of ultra short acting barbiturate is. Now it is only two options are possible. Since it is ultra short, so it will be very less duration of action. So 15 to 30 only it is possible. 45 and 60 is quite comparatively long. So the correct answer is 30 minutes. So you will have to logically select the probability even if you don't know the answer, because 45-60 is comparatively longer duration and this 15-30 now you will have to select. That means here half of the probability is getting reduced. Next question is, the duration of action of intermediate acting barbiturate is. Now it is intermediate acting barbiturate. So the duration of action is 3 to 5 hours. Answer is 3 to 5 hours. Next question is, phenobarbital is effectively used in the treatment of. The conditions given are diarrhea, muscle relaxant, skin infection. So obviously now diarrhea and skin infection is nothing to do with the CNS. So remaining is muscle relaxant can be there and grand mal epilepsy can be there. So according to the uses which we have studied and which are included in the link given in the description box, the same video, the correct answer is grand mal epilepsy, which is also known as tonic-clonic convulsions. It produces tonic-clonic convulsions. Next question is, neonatal jaundice can be treated by. Now neonatal jaundice, as the name suggests, jaundice in newborn babies. So neonatal jaundice, definitely the bilirubin, in case of jaundice, bilirubin levels increase. So the correct answer is phenobarbital, which works by decreasing the serum bilirubin levels, and it is effective in neonatal jaundice. Next question is, name the drug having the given IUPAC: 3-ethyl, 3-phenyl, piperidine, 2,6-dione. The correct answer is glutathione. Why? Because here barbituric acid is not there, and you very well know sedative hypnotics only two drugs are important, one containing barbituric acid derivative and one is non-barbituric acid derivative, and that too which contains piperidine ring. So piperidine ring containing drug is glutathione, which we have already seen in the classification. So here the possible answer is glutathione. Haloperidol, again it is not it is not coming under sedative hypnotic. Aspirin is also not there. Dapsone is also antileprotic. So the possible answer is glutathione, which is correct. Next question is, name the sedative hypnotic containing piperidine heterocycle. So according to the classification also, and we just now also discussed, the drug which contains piperidine heterocycle or sedative hypnotic which contains piperidine heterocycle is glutathione. Next question is, barbituric acid is formed by. Now barbituric acid, the structure of barbituric acid is derived from the reaction, or it is formed by the reaction of condensation of malonic acid and urea. When malonic acid gets combined with the urea, water molecule will be removed and it will give you the structure of barbituric acid, which is having keto groups at 2nd, 4th and 6th position, and same as that of pyrimidine heterocycle, it contains nitrogen at 1st and 3rd position. So the correct answer is condensation of malonic acid and urea. Others are reduction. Reduction is not possible. Malonic acid and urea, it is same. Then condensation of malic acid and urea. Malic acid, again it is not correct, and acetic acid is also not correct. The correct answer is condensation of malonic acid and urea. The detailed reaction of condensation of malonic acid and urea, again it is there in the link given in the description box. The video contains the complete reaction for the explanation. Next question is, barbituric acid derivative is amongst these drugs, which is the barbituric acid derivative? The famous barbituric acid derivative which is important in sedative hypnotic is Pentobarbitone. So Pentobarbitone is the barbituric acid derivative. Next question is, non-barbituric acid derivative is, so it is again asked in two ways. Either it is asked as a non-barbituric acid derivative, or it can also be asked as a piperidine ring containing drug. So the correct answer is glutathione. With this, we finish with the few of the possible MCQs on the sedative and hypnotics chapter. Thank you.